Do you ever just get the feeling that, like, someone put your brain in the microwave on high for 5 minutes on a speed defrost setting? Ding! Didn't even break the axe. The axe of violence. Would you believe? They say to me, why don't you make like a log and split? Which one next? What, that one? Nah, it's a bit naughty. What are we doing? That tree over there looks a bit tired. Now, if you've never seen a cement block before, here's a concrete example. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Really hard to hold the phone and undo a drink bottle at the same time. Cheers. It's water, I swear. Do you ever get the strange... Do you? Ever get the strange feeling like you ask yourself, why are we doing this? I don't know. I'm going to talk and walk at the same time now to fill up space in the video. But isn't it weird how we talk about space and time very similarly? Because you can't fill up space. Well, to fill up the space in the video, you go like this. Oh, look, fill up all the space. Don't need to fill up any of the time, just the space. This is wobbly and bizarre. My breath smells funny. But I have worked out that I may be cursed by the Demon Committee for mild inconvenience. But that doesn't stop me from trying to rebel against the Demon Committee for mild inconvenience. Anyway, how are you? I feel like we don't get to have intimate chats anymore. Stuff just keeps happening all the time. Can you feel it? It's just happening. Everywhere, all at once. Well, no, because time is the thing that stops everything happening all at once. I do like how these trees, the bark falls off. And it kind of looks like they're wearing, you know, fancy hippie clothes. It took up my scarf. Very nice. Lovely. There's a lot of moss on that. Let's go and have a look at the mossy rocks. Mossy rocks are lovely. I'm very grateful for mossy rocks. Oh, look, here's one. I liking that one. Hold on, I made that joke like 75 times. Let's have a look at this mossy rock. It's huge. I'll show you. Here we go. I'm grateful for this rock. Oh. So mossy. So much moss. Apparently it takes a really long time to grow this much moss. Just so much moss. Anyway, what are you grateful for? I'm grateful for this view. Look at that. Amazing. I'm also grateful for that river over down there. I'm grateful for these wobbly trunks. Wobbly trunks. That's my nickname in the swimming pool at high school. It wasn't really. I'm grateful for that joke because it works no matter what you say. You just need a noun or an adjective and a noun or an adverb and an adjective and a noun. And then you can say, that was my nickname in high school. I just got a message from my wife. I'm very grateful for my wife too.
Oh, there you go.
Al?
Hi, Simon. Please see your
hi.
pathology.
Anyway, thank you so much for breathing. And remember, be kind, be curious, and stay awesome. And I'm grateful for you too.